How to lose weight in 4 easy steps. Step 1, no beer. Every time you drink a beer, it's like eating 7 slices of bread. That's a lot of unnecessary carbs. Step 2, portion control. When eating out at a restaurant, cut your meal in half and ask for a takeout container to save the rest for later. Step 3, have your heart broken. And not just broken, but shattered by a girl who never loved you and never will.
I lost 50 pounds in 9 months using this exact strategy, and now I'm going to teach you how. This is the very same strategy that I've used with my clients, and I've helped over 400 women achieve their weight loss goals. So the first is that you actually need to eat more calories than you think. If you're using an online calculator that's telling you to eat about 1,200 calories a day, which it tells literally every woman to do, that is not enough food. It's causing you to put your body into starvation, which is why you find when you try to stick to a diet, you can never be consistent because it's forcing you to give up all of your favorite foods and it's forcing you to just feel exhausted all the time. So you need to be eating way more than 1,200 calories. The second thing is you need to stop doing cardio and start focusing on weightlifting. This is where you're gonna get the most bang for your buck for calories burned, and it's how you're gonna build that really sexy hourglass figure. And the third thing, which is the most important, stop relying on motivation to get you to the gym and to get you to meal prep. Motivation is a temporary feeling. It's not an identity. It comes and goes and you can't control it. Instead, I need you to start focusing on your discipline. You have control over your discipline and it is a part of your identity and who you are as a person. If you want to learn more about how you can lose weight too, make sure you hit the follow button.
I do my hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Ooh, child, tired of the bullshit.